I'm Joanne Banko. I've got some cute, quick tips for you today for dressing up some little girls' outfits and decorating with some embellishment techniques. Take a look at the samples. You see I've added some rickrack trim, some ribbon, some embroidery. I've added some lettuce edging ruffles to the necklines of the t-shirts, and I've even sewn some buttons on with the embroidery added, just for a little added accent. Let me show you how that's done. I'm going to move over to the machine. And I've got the button sewing foot already on the machine. I've got the button sewing stitch selected. And with this foot and this stitch, it's going to be all automatic. I'm going to simply slip this underneath the foot, raise that up a little bit. I've got a position marked. I'm going to line it up with the center of the button sewing foot. And all I need to do is make sure that's centered right where the holes are. My needle goes down, and I'm going to put my foot on the presser foot and just stitch away. It's going to automatically sew from side to side, lock off the stitch. When I'm all finished, I just pull that forward, and I've got a beautiful button sewn on to match my little girl's outfit. Visit the website, download the instructions. You'll get lots of tips and techniques so you can dress up and embellish your own little girl's clothing.